PS1B level, the 6th chapter is called Telling Time. The subtopics that we're going to target here would be night and day and analog clock. So our target skill will be reading time for the kids, and I'm going to use this clock as my manipulative with the help of a marker and an eraser. Okay? So first, you could ask them to describe the clock that they're seeing. So there could be various answers. Let's say you can see numbers 1 until 12. Okay, what else could you say? So yes, there are also 2 hands. But what can you say about the hands? So one is short and one is longer. That's a good observation. Okay? So you could say from that the short hand, that's what we call the hour hand. And the long hand, that's what you call the minute hand. And then here, in the 6th chapter, our target is only for the kids to read the time by the hour. So you could say that every time that the long hand is pointing at 12, that means o'clock. And then for the short hand, so wherever it points, just say the number. Let's say for here, 1 o'clock. Then you should also teach them how to write time. So you start with the hour hand, so that's 1. And then 12, so o'clock, you write o'clock having 2 zeros. So 1 o'clock. Then you could ask them to write their time. So you set the time first, see it there. So what time do you see? So shorthand, so 8. Okay. And of course, pointing at 12, so that's o'clock. Then you could also ask them to incorporate night and day. So what do you do 8 o'clock in the morning? So you could say some are still sleeping, some are eating breakfast. How about 8 o'clock in the evening? So some would say they're watching television and those things. Okay? So here, for night and day, they just need to identify the activities that they do during the day or during the night by drawing a moon or a sun. Let's say here. When do you do these castles in the beach? Daytime or nighttime? So let's say daytime, so we'll just draw a sun. Then for the analog clock, okay, it's the same with the prior activity. So here the time is, so 4 o'clock or 5 o'clock, so they just write it here. So there, thank you.